Little update on the Dodge. Here, just had to get pulled back home. Went up the road a few kilometers just for another little test drive, and transmission just gave out. All it has now is reverse. Probably it got exacerbated by our burnouts and stuff in front of the roto front there. Engine runs really lost all gears, but gonna get a transmission rebuilt and thrown back in there right away here, because it turns out the transmission that I have in the pile of stuff over there is a 46 RE. This is a 46 RH. Yeah, I can't wait to have this one driving properly. It's actually pretty mint otherwise. I just got to get that other hood on here because this one's damaged. Engine runs so good on here. The brakes work good. It's a little rough, but for a beater, that'll be fine, just to go around and use it as a little work truck and not wreck my nice one. And if I get a little scratch on this one, it won't be a big deal. Just needs a transmission in it and probably some exhaust and a minor body work, because this one does not have to be perfect looking. I also got some aftermarket headlights that my dad never put on this truck. I'll put on there. I got another bumper, but I might just keep that one as a spare, because we seem to have got this one back in shape just by tugging on it. And probably take these off. I don't know where to put light bars on this one. Probably take out some of the plastic here and maybe see if I can get them. Got a bar on each side of this, or maybe cut out, because we don't need front plates where I'm at, and I don't have one that I like for this. Maybe cut out a section and put a light bar in there. That'd be kind of cool. I'm kind of excited about this now. Getting pretty excited. You tint it. I don't know, some fun stuff coming for this one. Till next time.